Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Motorola Moto G62 5G does have the dual SIM slot. And to do this, first let's locate the slot on this device, and it should be right here on the left side, top left side of the phone. Then take a needle from the box, which should be included, and stick it inside this gap right here. The slot should open, and now we can remove the card. And here's a slot number 1, and you can fit another SIM card, but at the cost of SD card. So that would mean this device does have the dual SIM slot, but you won't be able to put additional storage card. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.